There's Chris. You're going to have a go at your RBC KITS SKYRAY. If he gets out of the bloody way, I'll be able to see it. There he is. It is a bit grey, isn't it? Got a nice silhouette.
Doesn't half pick the wind up this delta.
Yeah?
Yeah, you get the waggling of the things.
Yeah. Have you got a gyro on it?
No, not really.
No.
Not really a gyro fan.
Yeah. Like to fly it as it is, dear.
Yeah, I think actually I'm going to just do a circuit to land because I can't really see it that way.
Yeah. Yeah, short and sweet.
Yeah, I just can't. It's very difficult to see. I think.
Yeah.
Particularly so I haven't flown it for a while as well.
Yeah. Even those white aileron-y thingies.
Yeah.
Mind the fence.
Yeah.
Oops.
Going around.
Go around again. That's just your practice lad, was it?
It was, yeah.
Just to see how it lines up all right.
As soon as you said mind the fence, that was it.
I won't say it again this time, eh?
Then you start thinking it, don't you?
I know, yeah.
It's a 10-foot high fence by that point.
Yeah.
Tricky to see.
Yeah. Nice carrier landing.
Yeah. You've really got to get it up on its nose, otherwise it'll just float forever.
Yeah.
Complete the speed off.
Christ, we cut this the other week and it's still, well, certainly grown. It was too wet to cut it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Sorry that was a bit short, but
That's all right.
I wasn't feeling comfortable being able to see it.
Yeah. Right up.